Hi, I'm Nathan Suazo, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a garbage disposal. Today we're going to showcase the Moen, the Prep half horse. And I really like this one. This one comes with a 5-year warranty, and it comes with the electrical power cord already, so you don't have to connect that, which is normally the case with the other ones. So let me show you how to disconnect this old one and put the new one in. Okay, so these are the tools we're going to need to install the garbage disposal. This is a hammer and a screwdriver. This is to knock out this little punch that's in the garbage disposal for the dishwasher line. A crescent wrench, tape measure, maybe. Oh, the manual, this is really important. Some safety goggles because you'll be crawling underneath the sink. And looking at things real close. Flashlight, screwdriver, Phillips combo screwdriver, channel locks, last but not least, some plumber's putty. Okay, so first we're going to disconnect the dishwasher connection. Just take your screwdriver, loosen this clamp here, and then just use you're going to have to use a little bit of force to pull this off. One down. Now we're going to disconnect the disposal connection. Just undo this bracket. There's another screw on the back side here. Loosen your bracket, and that's off now. So we'll just move this out of the way. And then we should be able to just twist this bad boy off. Well, you might get a little bit of residue coming out, so just watch out for that. Let's put that up there for right now. So now we're going to disconnect the garbage disposal. That little tab is going to come this way, and this bracket is going to... So I just take these channel locks and spin off this big nut here. And then I'm going to go to the top and complete our mission. So we're replacing it anyways. Problem solved. Sometimes you gotta get a little aggressive. So now that we pulled out the old drain, we're going to clean this rim up here. We gotta make sure that it's nice and clean. Okay, so now we pulled the garbage disposal out of the box, removed the stopper and this splash guard, and we're gonna take off this flange assembly. This is what we're gonna deal with as far as mounting to the sink goes. Now let's go ahead and pull this out. This is the connection from the sewer line to the garbage disposal. This will be the last step. And then here's our ring to connect. There's also this rubber gasket. It may be off when you pull it apart, so just make sure you mount it on. Let me just show you how to put it on real quick. If I can get it off. So it just wraps around this lip. So now as we're loosening these screws, the goal is to get this mounting ring disassembled so we can take the whole flange apart and put our various parts on the sink. So right now, see what I did was I went underneath that ring with my screwdriver, and I'm just gonna pull it up. So there it is. This should slide out, and all these parts here go underneath, including this little fiberglass gasket, and this is what goes on top. So we're gonna put some plumber's putty here, then drop this into the sink, bring this gasket up, bring this mounting gasket up, and then push this guy through, and then put our ring back on, and then tighten these up. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so now we're gonna put the plumber's putty around this flange. Just gonna put it around the rim here. I got a rag here so we can protect the chrome here so it doesn't get scratched. Get our plumber's putty, and then we just roll it. And then what we're gonna do, maybe ½ inch thick, quarter inch. Just wrap this around like this, pushing it down a little. Gonna get some more plumber's putty. And I'm just connecting it to the place where we left off. In there. Got a nice bead. Now we'll take our rag out, and then we're gonna make it so the Moen trademark is just gonna be straight like that. And push it in. Now we can go underneath the sink and do our mounting there. Okay, to keep the ring from spinning around, you're gonna put down a towel. And you can use the old garbage disposal, but I have these weights. There's a 15-pound and another 15-pound. And that'll keep it from spinning while I'm putting the ring on. Okay, so now we're going to attach the flange from the underside. We got this fiber ring. I'm gonna push that in. We have this flowery stopper here. And then this is the tricky part. So we're gonna put this stopper on and then this ring, and this ring goes around this rim here. So it's gonna be an interesting little trick here. So once you get the stopper on, then you're going to take this ring and use your finger and snap it on, just like that. Easier than I thought. Then you're just gonna tighten up these screws, and don't over tighten them. We just want to get a good seal, but we don't want to over tighten. So let me just move my hand out of the way and get this going. Okay, so now that we have the sink flange mounted, we can take our weights off. And we're gonna clean up the plumber's putty. And you just take it should just peel right off. Then we'll do a test, water test, once we get the garbage disposal mounted. So I have a tip to keep the flange centered with the sink. Ours actually moved over, so this was wider here between the sink and the flange. So we want it to be even all the way around. So to prevent it from moving around while you're tightening it up, you just have to keep checking it. And if it moves to the left or to the right or whichever way, you just loosen it and recenter it and then gently tighten it down. Okay, so before we can install the garbage disposal, we have to knock out this little plug that's in the dishwasher drain here. Otherwise, if you don't knock it out, you're gonna have a flood. So let me show you how to do that. Just get something to protect your brand new garbage disposal. Get your screwdriver and knock it out. You can hear it in there. Make sure you get all the plastic. It came out pretty easy. Now we can mount it. So now we're gonna hook up the garbage disposal. You want the dishwasher drain and the garbage disposal drain pointed at the drain. Makes sense, right? So then you're gonna snap this up there. And that lined up just perfect. And then take this ring, and the mounting ring, and we're just gonna like get in there, attach it until it locks. So now to go the rest of the way, you're gonna need your channel locks. So take your channel locks and just close it up. There it is, it's on all the way. Then we can connect our mounting bracket. Tighten it down so we don't have a leak. So now we'll hook up the dishwasher drain hose and just push that guy on. Loosen up your clamp so you can get it all the way around. There we go. Then tighten that up. See the way I kept the screw to the front of the cabinet, so if you have to loosen it up in the future, it's easy access. Let's tighten that up. Then last but not least, plug in your garbage disposal and then turn it on and check for leaks. So before you start, put the splash guard back in. This comes out for cleaning. Just it snaps in. And then run your water and away you go. No leaks. Okay, so that's how you install the Moen garbage disposal. On our next episode, I'm going to show you how to install a whole P-trap assembly for the kitchen sink, just in case the garbage disposal doesn't line up or you have an old leaking P-trap. I'm going to show you how to replace all that. So feel free to subscribe so you can keep up to date with our latest videos.